These are AI influencers that I have just created straight from Higgsfield. Now, in this video, I'm going to introduce to you to a new and free AI influencer creation tool from Higgsfield that you can use to start your creation journey. And apart from that, Higgsfield has also introduced an option for you to monetize your content and earn money straight from Higgsfield. And that I'll be showing you later in this video. But to get started with this, now the first thing we need to do is to go ahead and log into higgsfield.ai. Go ahead and sign in. You can just sign in using your Google account. And now you can begin your creation journey. Now, straight from your account, you need to go ahead and look for this AI influencer. This is the tool we shall use. Now, if you click on this, you'll see we have already pre-made characters. So decide on the character that you wish to choose, ethnicity, and even the skin color. Now, there are two options. You can use these builders as well as you can use a prompt. So in the first place, we are going to use the pre-made character builder that are available in Higgsfield. I'll go ahead and choose this elf, and then go ahead and choose the gender. And for the ethnicity, I'll go ahead and choose Africa. You can choose your preferred, and for the skin tone you can choose yours here, or you can leave it to mimic the origin or the ethnicity of your character on top here. You also have an option to choose the eye color. I'll go with black, and you can also customize yours using these color palettes here. For the skin condition, you can see various skin conditions here. You can choose any of them or leave it blank if you don't want to choose any skin condition. For the age, I'll go ahead and choose adult. And you also have advanced features such as face, body, and even the style. You can choose the eye types here. So it gives you a blend of options to customize your character just the way you want. Now, once you have selected all your presets that you wish, now you can proceed and tap on generate. As you can see, the instructions are already here according to your selection. I'll hit generate influencer, and Higgsfield will go ahead and begin the creation. And within minutes, look at that, our influencer has been generated. Now, this is an image that we shall use to create or to generate videos. And if you're not comfortable with your current generation or creation, you can go ahead and edit this to use it in your final work. For instance, I'll wish to go ahead and change the eyes. I'm not happy with the eyes on this. I can type the changes I'll wish to make here. For instance, change the eyes to green, and then click on edit. This will go ahead and make the changes on this image. And look at that, the result is out. I like this outcome. You can go ahead and download your image if you so wish to your computer. Next, we want to go ahead and create a video using this image. The good thing, Higgsfield provides you an option to do this straight from here. For that, just hover over here to try free. And if you click on this, you can see we have various free viral motions that we can add to our image. Go ahead and choose any of these, or you can also click on explore more to get more options. Choose any that you wish. For my case, I'll go with this. And as you can see, we have so many of them. Now, you can choose or change the quality. And the good thing, you can choose up to HD here, that is 1080p. You can also choose scene control. You can either choose the scene from the video, which is this, or the scene from the image. So decide which scene you wish. So I'll wish to use the scene from the video. Go ahead and choose video here. Now that you have chosen our presets, it's time to go ahead and generate. I'll click on generate. So let's wait for our final outcome. The generation is on. And finally, our video is out. Let's go ahead and play it. Once you're done, now you can go ahead and download this, and it should come straight to your computer. This is a 10 seconds video. Now, next I want to create an AI influencer of my own description, that is using a prompt. For this, again, go to your account and then choose AI influencer. And from here, this time round, instead of using builder, we are going to use prompt. So I'll go ahead and tap on prompt, and this will give you an option to customize your character just the way you want. So I'll go ahead and enter my prompt, a young blonde Asian woman. You can make your prompt as detailed as possible to suit your need. Once you are done, it's time to generate. But should you find your previous presets, you can go ahead and just remove them so that Higgsfield can follow your current instructions. So I'll delete this, then go ahead and generate the image of my influencer using my prompt. So I'll click on generate, and finally within a minute it is out. Our image is here. This is perfect, and indeed she represents the character I wanted. Now from our image here, you can also customize it the way you wish. Also, if you go ahead and just click to open more options, you can make various adjustments. You can also recreate your image for your influencer to get the best result by just clicking on recreate here. If you also wish to add a reference, you can also add a reference image using a reference here. Great. So I'll wish to go ahead and convert this into a video. And to do that, I'll go ahead and tap on try here. This will open the motion library. I'll go ahead and click on explore more. We have quite a number of them. Now I'll go ahead and choose this motion of this lady. And great, we have now the two. Now go ahead and choose the quality you wish. This time around, I'll go with 720. You can as well go with the highest quality, which is 1080. For scene control mode, decide which background you want to use. You can either use the background in the video or the background on the image. For the first creation, I used the background in the video. This time around, I want to use the background on the image, so I'll choose image here. You can further go to advanced settings here, and here you can enhance your final result by including description for your outcome, and then go ahead and generate. And within no moment, our generation is on. So let's wait for the final results. And finally, here is our video. It has been generated. And if you watch it, she's singing along to the song. And you can look at the lip sync. It perfectly matches. So it has a song. I've just muted it to prevent copyright issues. So you can generate as many influencers as you want. And using one image, you can generate in so many variation or motion controls that you so wish. Now this will help you to be consistent with one character or various characters, while at the same time changing environment or variations. Once you are done, now you can go ahead and download your influencer video and use it for your content creation. Once you have generated your influencers, you can now start publishing them online. You can publish them on Instagram or YouTube and then tag Higgsfield, and you'll get paid for it. This is so amazing. So how do you do this? For that, you need to go ahead and sign up to creators.higgsfield and then choose your platform that you wish to share your creation. You can either share on Instagram. You can say I am Instagram influencer, or if you are on YouTube, you can go ahead and share it. I am a YouTube influencer. From here, go ahead and click on continue, enter your email, make your creations and upload to your YouTube or to your Instagram account, then tag Higgsfield and you'll get paid for that. If you want to try out this tool, I've left all the links to this tool down below. Go ahead and begin your creation journey. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.